welcome back to another Captain Fishy. Yeah, we haven't made a video for a little while, haven't been fishing for a while, so thought we'd go chase some bream just locally on Paynesville, Newlands Arm, around that area. Yeah, did really well actually, caught heaps of fish. I got a 45.5, Tyren got a 46 I think it was, it's his PB, so yeah, caught heaps of nice fish, mostly on the muss and a couple of small plastics. So yeah, if you want, have a look, and thank you. Cheers. Oh, he's on. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice fish. Get closer to the... You can't net it underneath it, Tyren. Oh, nice fish. Push us back, Tyren, off the rope.
Oh, baby. That is a nice fish, Connor.
No,
Oh.
38-ish. No, 37.
37. Oh,
37, something like that.
nice fish.
Oh, they're warm.
Oh yeah,
Baby.
there's a small one, but it's a fish. Oh, it's a real small one. He's shitting me.
They're so chunky. I love it. Good. They piss me off.
Oh yeah.
What the hell? Get out in your freaking fishing hole.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, oh, he's going in. Oh yeah.
Not bad. Good save.
How's that net? I'm gonna need it. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Is that on the mouth?
Yep.
Well, that is a big fish. Holy crap.
That's a nice one.
Woo,
That's a proper one.
woo, woo. Captain. Where's that?
I reckon you're winning so far.
Oh, I should never take anything.
Oh, that's a good fish. Is that a fish? Oh, I was going to say, what the hell?
Another cut hanger? Yeah.
Salad tongs. Tyren's on.
Is it a good one, Annie?
Better.
Not really.
Oh, yeah, just because the hook's about full.
What you got? What you got?
It's not big. The hook's just, I've just got one treble.
That's alright. If he falls off, doesn't matter.
No, it's only time. Doesn't mean that.
Oh!
If you net the hook, and that's a new way.
It doesn't happen.
That's a baby.
When your drag's going.
That. Yeah, you have to do that, don't you?
Oh, that's a good fish.
I'm at the net.
He took like... Oh, no, it's not really.
Yeah.
He went for a run.
Jeez, he took it.
Let's just net him from now on too, right?
Yeah, I'll net him.
It's bending at the base. Ooh, baby.
That's it.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, nice fish.
Ooh. Nicking my line.
Oh, I reckon had you on the jetty before you.
Oh. Oh.
He took you out there in the middle of nowhere.
Oh.
Oh,
my
jeez.
God.
That's a good fish.
Don't step on a muss.
Oh.
Nah, he's not that big. 42.
You look big in the water.
He did when he turned. I say, oh no.
Wait, doing jumps. Oh, he's choked that. 40. Oh, never mind. There's a bend in the mat.
What's it?
43.
43.
And a half.
Oh, both my big ones are bigger, Tyren.
Okay.
I think you take the smallest fish of the day.
No,
Oh,
definitely not.
Tyren wins that one.
That's a joke, Dad.
Really?
I reckon my smallest was about half that.
I don't think a smaller fish would take a lure.
That came out of the shallows, mind you. No,
Net?
yes, please. That's not bad.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Thank you. Oh, he's got one.
Bullshit. We've all cast it like 20 times.
Stop talking to crap about it.
Probably missed him like 6 times.
I'm getting it left over.
Yeah, we leave the small ones for you, Tyren.
That's right, we don't bother with those.
Oh, that's a reasonable fish.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one here.
Better?
No.
Don't flip him. Oh, yeah.
It's a stripy brim. New breed.